We're at Barefoot Landing in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to take you on a tour and show you everything there is to see here. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. And a big shout out to our subscribers. We appreciate every single one of you. So here's one of our favorite shops, the Christmas Mouse. It is a huge two-story shop. They have everything you can imagine Christmas.
Year-round Christmas.
Yeah, year-round Christmas, and they also do have other holiday decorations as well, depending on the season. Definitely check them out. Ultimate California Pizza. And if you're wondering where the people are, there's Splash. We are here before opening. Well, I think there's a couple of restaurants that might be open for breakfast, but we are here early in the morning. It's just easier to film everything. Krabby Jack's General Store. If you've never been to Barefoot Landing, it is right sort of at the edge between Myrtle Beach and the city of North Myrtle Beach. They are two different cities, and it's a shopping, restaurant, and entertainment area. I would say it's heavier on the shopping and restaurants than on entertainment. If you're looking more for entertainment, I would recommend Broadway at the beach. I'm not saying they don't have entertainment here, but there's a few rides, but they're mostly kid-oriented rides. Whereas Broadway has some thrill rides and some shows. There are shows over here. Here's Umberto's. This has been here a really long time. And we've got a few shops down here. Black Market Minerals, that's also been there a very long time. And then we have the Olive Shop, the Pepper Palace, Breezing Up. But yeah, there are similarities between Broadway at the beach and Barefoot Landing, but there's also differences. They both are surrounding, they have water in the middle, a lake in the middle, like this right here. This has a more marshy look to it though, a little more natural looking. And Broadway's is a little more manicured, I guess you could say, without the, you can see sort of the marshy area over there. They don't have that. So here's one of the kid-friendly rides I mentioned, the classic carousel. And over here we've got the beach house. Now straight ahead, I'll go over here and show these in just a minute, but straight ahead is a new exciting option here at Barefoot Landing. It's the Crooked Hammock Brewery, and they have seating over here on the water. They have outdoor sections, so we'll go over that in great detail, but let's check these shops out right over here first. Brian just noticed, if you can't hear him, they have fake grass here in the middle, which that's a smart thing. It's better for the environment when you don't have to maintain the real grass and it stays nice looking. Shining Soul and popcorn. But now let's get a close-up look at this new Crooked Hammock Brewery. This is exciting. So as you may have guessed, it's a microbrewery and it's also a restaurant. And it's large. I mean, it is huge because it starts over there and then head over this way. And like I said, they've got a bunch of outdoor seating. Last time we were here, it was not open. And obviously it's closed right now, but they are open for business. It's just too early for them to be open today. Big outdoor section, big patio. Really cool. Very nice job. Can't wait to check this out when they're actually open. Once we do that, we will absolutely film it. Oh, that's funny. They call it Tortuga Island. That's cute. Oh yeah, a turtle to go along, a real turtle to go along with the island. Oh, more turtles. That's neat. So that's really neat. It looks like they have a bar out here on Tortuga Island. It's closed right now, but you can see the bar in the middle, and even looks like it has sort of a faux tree coming up in the middle of it. I see some swings, some actual swings by the bar, so you can sit and swing while you're having a drink.
That sounds dangerous.
Brian just said that sounds dangerous. So then we have this outdoor section over here. More outdoor seating. And then I love this retro stuff up here. It's just so cute. Got part of a VW, I guess, converted into a bench. And then I love this trailer, love it. When I was young, we actually had a travel trailer that was not very different from that. And this outdoor area. And then there's a beer garden over there. I love the little gardening tools. Got a hammock here, very appropriate. But then they also have this very large park over here at Barefoot Landing for kids to play in. Got lots of nice chairs here if you're watching your kids. It's definitely an elaborate playground, and it's nice that it has that tree because in the summer it can get very hot here. It's not hot today, but depending on the time of the year you're here. There you go, 200-year-old live oak. Wow, incredible. And then you also have this beautiful view across the water right next to it. Another major eating and bar establishment is Lulu's. If you're not familiar, that is Jimmy Buffett's sister, Lulu. And the Lulu's has the big restaurant. It goes up against the intracoastal waterway. Oh yeah, and there's also a restaurant there. Is that Greg Norman? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Greg Norman's right over there, next to Lulu. So those are both on the intracoastal waterway, and we'll go up and get a much closer look at the intracoastal waterway in just a moment. And also over here is Lulu's arcade and rope course. So there's a lot of fun for the whole family here. And they also have this sort of sandy, beachy type area up here. We'll get a closer look at that. And we have seen more now hiring signs today than I think I've ever seen in my life. Lots of hiring going on. So they have this fun area with the cornhole, the picnic tables. Let's go up and get a much closer look at the intercoastal waterway, or intracoastal waterway. It's said both ways, and it kind of depends on where you are. It's really pretty. Big yachts over there, really big boats. Let's go check those out. So if you want to go to the intracoastal waterway, this is a good path to go on. It's right next to Lulu's arcade and also their rope course, which looks like a lot of fun. There's a walkway here. Also, the boat parking on this side, on the Barefoot Landing side, is free. So if you want to drive your boat up and visit Barefoot Landing, you absolutely can. They've got some nice seats here near Lulu's. You can see some of these huge boats here. And so the boats come up and down the intracoastal. Sometimes you see jet skis, all kinds of water sports. So here's a close-up of the boat parking here, the docks for Barefoot Landing. So that's a nice option that they have here if you have a boat. Here's the Crooked Hammock Brewery stage. I assume they are going to have live entertainment. I haven't seen any announcements about that, but I'm sure they do. You can check Barefoot Landing's website or Crooked Hammock's website, but they absolutely have show lights on, so it definitely looks like it's ready for entertainment. And then you've got Sweet Molly's Creamery. Something smells really good this morning. Somebody's already cooking. It's making me. Oh, Brian just said it's Taco Mundo. It smells so good. One of you said you ate there and said it was really tasty. That's somewhere still on our list to try. Kentucky Mist Distillery, Savannah Bee Company, and then Faux Paws Dog Shop. And then let's get back around and take a look at Taco Mundo. Straight ahead is the Mole Hole. And then right over here by the intracoastal waterway is Taco Mundo. Over here we've got It's Sugar. And then this is the Tigers. Again, if you saw the show on Netflix, they had this Myrtle Beach Safari place was on that. Sand and Sun. Beef jerky. So as you can see, there is a ton of shopping here in addition to the restaurants. Most of the bigger restaurants, although we will show you a new one that's coming around the corner here, so stay tuned for that. But most of the big restaurants are on the intracoastal waterway, which makes sense. Oh, here's a coming soon. And by the time you see this video, it may be open. Birdhouse Snacks. But they do have a lot of shopping here. I would say possibly more than Broadway as far as the number of different shops. I don't know though. If you know, leave a comment. Also, if you're enjoying this tour, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps us out. We appreciate that. Jewelry store. Tiki Gems. Also, they do have a walkway that sort of cuts across the middle. We're not going to go over that one. There's another one, but that goes out over the lake. Blue Moon Trading Company. So what's your favorite? Do you prefer Barefoot Landing or Broadway or somewhere else? Leave us a comment below and let us know. We enjoy both. We're closer to Broadway, so we go there more. And I would say we probably enjoy Broadway just because of the, like, Brian likes the thrill rides there and stuff like that. But they're both fun to walk around. Especially in the morning. It's fun to come in the morning like this and walk around. It's very peaceful and not having to dodge anyone.
Johnny Rockets pulled out here too.
Oh yeah. So the Johnny Rockets pulled out of Broadway, and Brian just noticed they pulled out of Barefoot Landing as well. I don't know if they went completely out of business. If you know, leave us a comment. So across over here, we're not going to walk all the way over there, but I wanted to show you that there are a lot of other things here that are just across the parking lot. You've got the Alabama Theater, which has really big shows. You've got the Flying Fish, which a lot of you have said is a really good restaurant. And then there's a few small shops over there, but then also over in this direction behind the trees, you've got the House of Blues, which is a really big entertainment venue. So a lot of the entertainment is over across that parking lot. It's definitely a pretty quick walking distance from here, or you could park over there, of course. Got some happy birds this morning chirping away. Oh, and also that's a good point. This sign right here tells you the other entertainment, Alligator Adventure. I didn't mention that. That is a lot of fun. If you enjoy zoos, anything with animals, definitely recommend it. They have more than just alligators. And this is the beautiful sort of natural area I was talking about. And wow, are the birds loud this morning? I don't know if you can hear them. And yes, there are some people don't realize this. There are alligators here in Myrtle Beach. So that's something to keep in mind, not just at the Alligator Adventure. So when you're around bodies of water, just keep that in mind. But so here's, oh, now you can see the Dick's restaurant over there, Ron John's Surf Shop. So this is something I wanted to talk about right over here. This is the new Landshark Bar and Grill. You may have visited or known about the one at the Skywheel, but there's a new location coming here, and it looks like they're getting close to done, and by the time you see this video, they very well may be open. So that is a new eating bar and restaurant establishment that has come to Barefoot Landing, so that's pretty exciting. Nice look back across the water towards Lulu's. Here's a closer view of the Ron John Surf Shop. Got Chico's, Haven's Marketplace. We Are Sweets. Caraloha Bamboo, Francesca's. And the Sea Bag store is fairly new. It opened in 2020, so that's a somewhat new location. They have, as you can imagine, bags like purses, totes, all that kind of thing. And so then here's the coming soon sign for the Landshark Bar and Grill, and I can hear they are hard at work over there. We'll get another view from another location in just a minute. Oh wow, working over there too. There's monkeys, spice and tea, Sunglass Hut, Carolina Hat Company. And let's go up this way and see if we can get another view. No, it looks like it may be blocked off, but let's see what we can see up here of the Landshark. There's Del Sol, Wax and Beyond. So yeah, they've got this area blocked off right here, coming soon. But you can kind of see right here, they are hard at work on this deck, but yeah, the building looks done. So I think this is gonna probably, by the time you see this video, this will probably be open. Over here you've got Terra Grena Swimwear, and you've also got Masters Edition, Fine Art Gallery. And then let's head out here to the parking lot because there are a couple of restaurants to point out, one of which is extremely popular. Aunt Annie's. So we're now back around to the Christmas Mouse where we started. And so Blueberries Grill, which I'm facing right now, is hugely popular. In fact, I'm surprised not to see more people. It's probably the day that we're here and the time, but on the weekends, that is packed. Very, very popular place. And then also got the Café de Paris or Paris. I'm not sure how they say it, but that is over here on the left side. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Till our next adventure.